In this video, I'm going to show you how much money I made on YouTube last month. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so after posting my last video, which you can see in the description below, a lot of you asked me to continue to make this type of videos because you want to see how much money can small YouTube channels actually make. And like I said, it all depends on what topics you're talking about in your videos, your niche, and many other aspects. But what I decided to do is just to make this type of videos on a monthly basis to show you the progress from month to month and show you how much money I'm making one month after the other as I upload more videos and create more content, so you can see I have a better understanding of what it takes to run a successful YouTube channel. Most YouTube channels are not showing you how much money they're making, but I want to show you this not only because YouTube allows this. I can actually show you the CPM and other detailed aspects of what YouTube actually pays, but I can show you the estimated earnings, which is what YouTube allows you to show. That's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how much money I made for the month of February 28, 2019, and hopefully that should give you an idea of what progress I'm making as I create more videos. And every single month you can expect a video like this, hopefully to show you that if you want to make an extra few $100s per month with YouTube, it's definitely possible. If you want to make a full-time income, it is definitely possible to do it, even if you don't have a large following. Because the trick is, if you want to make a full-time income with YouTube, the best way to do it is with affiliate marketing, not just the YouTube partner program. The YouTube partner program is peanuts, and basically you're gonna make enough money to just cover some regular business expenses, but not really to quit your day job or anything like that. But if you want to make if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, you don't even need subscribers. All you need is to get your videos to rank on YouTube, to get people to watch your videos, and you can make money even if you don't have your channel monetized with the YouTube partner program. So with that said, I'm gonna jump into my computer and show you exactly how much money I made. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, last month from February 1st to the 28th, that was about $285 in estimated revenue from YouTube AdSense alone. And as you can see, my highest date for last month was about $15 in a single day. So I'm getting a little bit more days like this. I'm getting days of $10, $12, $15 more often than before. In the beginning, I was getting maybe $4 or $5 per day. That it grows every single month as long as you keep uploading videos and you continue to make new content, and you start making a little bit more every single month. So no jump from 200 something to 2,000 in a single month unless you hit a viral video. But in my case, it's pretty slow, it's pretty steady, is a very slow growth. And I think this is the best type of growth because you got to have patience in business. You got to be willing to have patience and wait it out and continue to put out the work so you can gain the benefits later. It's not an overnight success story. I have 108 videos created so far, over 1 year of posting videos, at least 2-3 videos per week, of just putting content out there, trying to help people, building my brand as well. And at the same time, this is extra income. But like I said, if you really want to make the big money with YouTube, you have to monetize your content with affiliate marketing and mostly affiliate marketing programs, software that you can recommend, and other specific things to your niche. Although $285 extra every single month, it is not a bad thing. It is definitely not a lot of money. So by next month, if I continue to upload videos on a weekly basis, I might get $100 more or something like that. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But I wanted to show you that it is definitely possible. It is definitely possible to be able to make money with YouTube, the partner program. This should be about 10% of your entire monetization strategy with YouTube, because you should be getting 80% of your income with affiliate marketing and just 10-20% from your YouTube AdSense revenue. On average, as you can see, I'm getting about 50,000 views per month so far. I mean, I'm getting about 2,000 views a day on all of my videos. You know, nothing crazy. I'm not getting, 10,000 views or anything like that. My niche is something that you do have to keep in mind. I talk about, making money online, affiliate marketing, and social media and things like that. So that tends to pay a little bit higher than if you were just making gaming videos or vlogging or anything like that. So I do make a little bit more because my topic or my niche pays a little bit more, because advertisers are willing to pay more money to be able to reach that type of audience. So that's it. That's my report for this month. All right, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'm going to be making a video like this every single month. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as many as I can. And hopefully I'll see you on my next video.